Are you ready for 24 hours of geeks and parties? I sure hope so, cause this is the geek party boat Moderskeppet 2, the Mothership 2. In 2022, the company Geeks.se arranged a nerdy boat trip called Moderskeppet, the Mothership. It turned out to be quite a success, so in 2023 they decided to charter the entire boat Viking Cinderella and fill it with geeky activities of all kinds. This is Moderskeppet 2, the Mothership 2, and you can find just about every type of geekdom here. Hardware, games, lectures, merchandise, chiptunes, and a lot more. Oh, and cosplay as well. Geeks.se are the people behind the popular Swedish sites SweClockers and FZ that both have a big focus on games and hardware. There's not as much anime here, or for example Japanese pop culture, but then again, I guess you can't have everything. Anyway, let's have a look at everything there is to see and do here at the Mothership 2. There's usually a troubadour at the pub, but on this cruise there's a rock stage instead. Quite a bit better, I would say. Instead of drunken people singing country roads, you get drunken people playing fake guitars. I love filming people when they try VR. They never look ridiculous. Never. The gaming area is filled with retro games as well as new games, and even some new and upcoming indie games. It's also perpetually filled with people playing all of these games. You have to fight for a spot here. These are the wrong kinds of games, and that's not what I'm here for. So, you're the unofficial Ghostbuster, is that correct?
That is correct, sir. I've had several complaints about strange things happening, so I thought it would be best to just hang out, just to see if something happens. Hopefully not.
Do you think there's going to be a lot of ghosts on this trip?
Hopefully not, but there's never a 0% chance, let's say. Right now, the trap is in the shop at the moment, so probably not going to be able to catch, but chase off, basically.
Some people have asked what the destination of this cruise is, but that's not really the point. You're staying on the boat all the time either way. This is a lecture about the hottest games in 2023. Pretty unnecessary, everyone knows it's Baldur's Gate 3.
This journey is yours to make. Its path and your party, shaped by each and every decision. As a solo adventurer or with a party of friends.
I have never looked as beautiful as on these pictures. Unfortunately, that doesn't really say all that much. There are lots of quizzes and other activities. I could never imagine that a music quiz would be that popular. you guys from Uniting Geeks have some board games here and not digital games.
Yeah, they're analog. You play them in person, not in front of a screen. Oh my...
That can't be popular, can it?
Yes, it is. Very popular. Everybody loves to play with other people and see them in the face.
What, even introverted geeks like us?
Absolutely.
You're doing a marvelous job at introducing geeks to each other.
Yeah, it's nice to have at least something you can sort of have in front of you instead of the screen, you have a board game.
What type of game is this?
I will call this reverse plucky pin. You're supposed to build a ladder structure and not have it fall over, essentially. And if you fail, you get a teardrop, and the one with the fewest teardrop at the end wins. So now we have a competition where you build as tall as possible, and you have 1 minute time limit to build it. And the highest right now is 27 centimeters. Some people have actually built taller, but when they try to put down the last ladder, it collapses and it goes down back to the basics.
There are lots of hardware companies here where you can win lots of prizes and learn more about amazing hardware that you can't afford. So this one cost $10,000, is that correct?
That is correct. If you wanted us to build you one of these, we would charge you about $10,000.
Bloody hell, do you have one of these yourself?
I wish, no. My boss won't let me take this one home.
This computer is absolutely gorgeous. Do all your computers look this nice?
Well, that's the goal anyways, so hopefully they all come out looking this nice. But I really like how this one actually came out, so yeah.
Music is a big part of this cruise. Aside from DJs like DJ Wayland, you can also see artists like Fastbom, Instant Remedy and Chipzel rocking away at the stage. The whole cruise is brimming with geeky excitement. Or, well, maybe not right now, because most people are still hungover, but still. This cruise is really perfect for just about every type of geek. This was the second year of the Mothership, and I have a slight suspicion that there's gonna be a third one, and a bigger cruise at that. Do I recommend that you go on this cruise? Does the bear shit in the woods? Of course! There's just so much to explore and experience on this cruise, no matter if you're a hardcore geek or if you actually want to be social as well.
Now then, fill up your hearts so you can choose your sword with power. And when you're feeling all out, the fairy will come around, and you'll be brave and not a sissy coward.
And that's about it for this quick look at Moderskeppet 2, the Mothership 2. I hope you found it interesting. Like and subscribe, but most importantly, remember to stay geeky out there. Bloody hell, that's cheesy. You might also want to check out this video up here in the corner that I'm looking at, or at least I hope I'm looking at it.